Hi guys, this is Chef Jyoti Nani here and you are watching me live with Amul India. I like to thank Amul India to give me this opportunity to show my home recipe with all you guys. Amul has been a wonderful brand since 1947 so far as I can remember, and we all have lot of nostalgia, lot of childhood memories with Amul. I think we have grown up with Amul. If we come to think of Amul, if we say about dahi, there is this Amul dahi which comes in my milk. I think this the brand has been associated with so much of our memories. Hi everybody who is joining, thanks a lot for joining my live over here. It's been hot, it's really being hot summer, hot kitchen, so you can see me sweating in the kitchen, so sorry for this. I so nowadays, as we have been saying, that we take lot of things for granted when we get in abundance. कैसे लगता है ये तो मिलता ही रहेगा. But now times are tough and they are teaching us how to utilize the limited resources which we are getting in a limited time which we are allowed to get out of our respective home. So today I am going to show you roti calzones. आजकल काफ़ी सारे because you have कम एक्टिविटी हो रहा है, घर पे खाना बनते जा रहा है and there is a बहुत नेचुरल है कि कुछ आधे लेफ्ट ओवर्स रह ही जाते हैं. तो मैं आज आपको बहुत ही लिमिटेड इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो घर पे अवेलेबल है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स विद अमूल, विच आर thank Amul for making everything readily available to us, with few of the Amul products which we use like ghee or dahi. I tried getting it for you guys, so that's a very interesting recipe. I'm going to try to show it to you. That's roti calzone. So shall we start? And I'll request my sister-in-law over here. Hello. She will be taking up the camera for me so that I can show you the yeah. Am I visible correctly? So these are these basic ingredients which I am using. We had made rajma, so I am giving a bit of the Mexican touch because I have got rajma leftovers. You can substitute with any sabzi, vegetables or lentils like chole and all. If we are leftovers, we can utilize this. So I'll quickly Amul butter which I just saving for this recipe. My niece love eating butter and cheese, and of course no other brand than Amul. So quickly we will just let the butter melt a little bit, and I have onions ready to get it poured in this. I mean, have you ever liked any other butter than Amul? The saltiness of this butter is just so good because it's, and it enhances the taste of any vegetable like just put onions. Is watching their queries, so when queries as well. So Arya, just keep a that on queries if they are coming on.
Okay.
So we will just, the idea is not to cook the filling completely. It has to be as well. So I'll just cook it till it gets translucent, just a little bit of it. Okay guys, so I am running little bit garlic, so I'm just putting little bit which I'm having over copra chutney, little bit of a nuttiness as well. So just a little bit saute, and we will add our chopped tomato. Just the sizzling sound of this tomato, onions, and smell the in my kitchen. something, put on our thinking hats and get the substitute in handy. There goes the capsicum. I'm just sauteing it a little bit because I need that crunch in my filling and not raw at all. Yeah. Then it's just cooking. I'll get my spice box. So this is our spice box. So yesterday there was this masala day which Rushina was. Masala day, achar papad day or masala day. So yesterday I forgot to post my this masala. This is our typical masala tray. So we add on our salt, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander. Like guys, in the kitchen there is a little bit of a network issue. Please bear with me. So if you think that your masalas are just getting burnt or sticky, little bit of water so that to avoid the burning of the masalas. And I'll add my boiled rajma to it. Interestingly, rajma or chole or our dal, they are natural soup thickeners as well. They are the natural thickening agents. So if whenever you are ran out of say corn flour or the flour, the nutrition value of any of your soups, you can add the you can add these as a soup thickeners, and you just have to puree it or mash it a lot and you can use it as in soup thickeners as well. So I guess it's so there was a lot of masalas and sizzling and we are just stuffing over here. Apologies for that. Are there any questions over there, Raya?
Yes.
Can you just read it out?
Please. Not able to get vegetables from past 2 days. Anyone can help in Ahmedabad.
I'm sorry, I can't help you with that. So, yeah, this is done. For the filling is done, our filling, so we can just keep it here. Yeah, and we can look at the assembly for our calzone. So, leftovers, our lunch today. This is the filling. So as I mentioned earlier that I didn't get cheese in my vicinity. So what I did is I used Amul yogurt, Amul dahi, and hung it for quite some time, 3-4 hours. So it gives me this nice cheesy texture. Now what we will do to this, we will just enhance the flavors of this. I will just one it's seasoning, and I will just quickly just add on to the salt. Where is my masala dabba? Just little bit of salt. The mixed seasoning which I use, garlic powder, cumin, oregano, and little bit of rosemary and thyme. So mix seasoning, and we will just give it a mix. Yeah. Now it's the time to assemble it. What we will do is quickly some stuffing in my roti. Instead of the cheese, I'll add a little bit of the spread and generously spread it over the filling. Yeah, and I'll just fold it like calzone. Now we'll just heat our tawa. Ghee. Right now is talking about good fat, bad fat. So when we are now in our lockdowns, we are now conscious of what we are eating, the nutritions, the fat. So there is, I guess, so should we eat ghee, should we eat butter, should we not oil? Nothing is good. Nothing is good or bad, honestly. Nothing is good or bad. Anything which is eaten in moderation is fine. So ghee, as we have been, our nannies and dadis have been saying, is a very good fat, and it increases your immunity, it lubricates your joint. Half a ghee in a day is fine. So here I am just heating my tawa. I am putting my calzone over here. I will just cook it till it just get crispier and little bit browner on the sides. So then I'll just put it. And I'll just give it. You can see it has turned toasty, nice brown, and little bit of ghee more on the sides. Just for the crispness. I am getting messages that an unclear video, poor audio. Okay, please repeat the ingredients. I can check. I will repeat the ingredients in a while, guys. Made for the calzone from the roti. And I'll just quickly cut it from the between. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, guys, so sorry for video is very poor because of the connection at my end. So this is the calzone which I made over here. If you can see very clearly. Yeah, I will post the recipe also in the comments after we are done. So right now the ingredients which we are saying, we use the boiled rajma, onion, garlic, little bit of garlic chutney, capsicum, tomatoes, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. That's for the filling. And for the dip, for the yeah. So for so right now, if you can hear me properly, for the dip I used Amul dahi, hung yogurt, seasoned it with salt, mixed herbs, and we toasted it together. Yes. Any other queries which you can have? Poor audio. I repeated the ingredients, Anjani. If you have any issues, connection is quite proper right now. What chutney I dry garlic chutney which you get, that khopra chutney. So if you don't, I didn't have garlic basically to add it, so I used it as a replacement. Otherwise the fresh garlic will do, or you can just blend garlic with red chili powder and it will give you the same texture. freezing. I'm sorry. Thank you. Questions you have, guys, regarding the recipe which I showed. So as I said, we are trying to, this is the very simple home lockdown recipe, where the kids will love it a lot, and it's a very healthy for the kids, as we are using very natural ingredients. We are using ghee and rotis. It's a whole wheat, and it's a complete meal in itself, but kids will love it even if you give them as a snack in the evening, like that. Yeah. Yes. So right now I'm thinking, why not I show you a quick recipe of the salsa as well. Just you know, just to give a fresh texture to our recipe, let me make a quick chutney for you guys. Sorry, I'm just thinking it impromptu. I thought, why not to give it very refreshing ingredient. Salsa can be made very easily, very quickly. It's a no cook recipe. Kids will love it. So kids now, because they have nothing else to do, my niece actually comes in the kitchen and asks me, should I help you, so I guess this is a very nice time to get working with you and teach them a thing or two. Like my niece has dough, or she had started making whisking the eggs for the omelets. She likes mixing things, or she makes nimbu pani. So these are the small things which our kids are liking. So let me see quickly your salsa. So here I'll go into my fridge. Meanwhile, if anybody has any queries, please feel free to drop in a line or two. I'll be very happy to answer. I'm just getting few tomatoes. You can see my just get a few tomatoes, capsicum. Green chili. Vinegar. Yeah, I think this should do. And one small onion. So I'm just quickly peeling up the tomato for making the fresh salsa to go with the calzone. And I'll quickly roughly chop up the onion in my chopper. If you don't have chopper, it's okay. You can just take a fine chop onion. Put a little bit of roughly chopped tomatoes.
Done.
Yes. So I guess the video got stuck again. So I just chopped my tomatoes since then. Tomatoes, one green chili, little bit of capsicum, just for the crunch, and blend it together. I need such as roughly chopped as in chunky tomatoes. Then we will just add in a bowl. just add little bit of ketchup. Salt, little bit of red chili powder for the color, and I'll add just a spoonful of vinegar. Mix it together very well. Such a nice, refreshing salsa for your chips to go with our calzone, or just can be used as a sandwich bread, or it can be eaten as it is. Yeah. So here's salsa. Yes. Yes, guys. So these were my very simple recipes to cook in your lockdown. And if you, yeah, again, sorry for the glitch. I have to come in the good network area to catch the network. So I was saying this is the basic simple recipe which I showed you. Hope you liked it. Send me in your queries if you have any, or follow me on my Insta, that is Chef Joe, or on your page. Follow Amul India page for the such interesting lives happening with all different chefs showing all kind of recipes. It's such a good time to enhance your skills, learn from the learn from a lot of other chefs, budding chefs, home chefs. Everybody is so doing so great, spreading such lot of positivity through food, through the interactions. I mean, I am having a lot of good time watching all these lives on Amul India. And thanks again to give me this opportunity to show you this recipe. And yeah guys, so stay home, stay safe, cook, spend time with family, laugh, dance, and just make the most out of this time, because it's not going to come back again. That's my humble request, is stay positive. We all are in this together, and we shall overcome. Yeah, thanks Amul India, thanks Manu, for watching this and giving me this opportunity to demonstrate a small recipe. And yeah, send in any queries, any recipes, and I'll be happy to respond to all of you. Thanks guys, thank you so much, and have a good evening. Stay home safe, take care.